Students, today is World Yoga Day, so we do some asana and Surya Namaskar.
Now let's do Surya Namaskar, the sun salutations, a powerful yogic practice combining 12 asanas to stimulate the sun's energy within you. It's also a prayer of gratitude towards the sun, the source of life on this planet. Facing the sun, move to the edge of your mat, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back. Breathing down, bend forward from the waist and bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Do as best as you can. Breathing in, push your left leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the front and look up. Now take the right leg back, eyes onto your navel. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Then slide forward and raise the chest up into a cobra pose. Look up. Breathing out, lift the hips and tailbone up to bring the body onto an inverted V pose. Breathing in, this time bring the left foot forward in between the two hands. Look up. Breathing out, bring the right foot forward. Breathing in, rolling the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then bring the arms down. Relax in this position and observe the sensations in your body. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Now lie down. We will practice 3 important asanas before starting with the breathing exercises. First is Pavan Muktasana or the gas release pose. Arms beside your body, palms facing the ceiling. Bring both your legs together. Bend your right knee. Bring it towards your chest. Interlocking your fingers, press your thigh on your abdomen. Breathe in again and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor, trying to touch your nose and then your chin. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now release your head, your hands and then your leg. Follow the process similarly with your left leg this time. Practice it happily. With increased blood circulation in the internal organs, it is a powerful asana for your digestive system, relieving constipation and gas problems. This time bend both your knees. Bring it towards your chest. Raise your hands. Interlock your fingers. Press your thighs on your abdomen. Breathe in again and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor, trying to touch your nose and then your chin. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now release your head, your hands, then your legs. Relax. Next is Markatasana. Fold your both legs at the knees and keep them near to the hips. Spread both the hands at the level of your shoulders. Now turn your knees towards the right side while your neck on the left side. Hold this position for a few seconds. Breathe normally as you notice the tension releasing of your back muscles. Now slowly come back to the previous position. Then move your knees to the left while the neck towards your right. Hold for a few seconds. Any level of back pain, this is the best exercise. Now come back to the previous position. Slowly stretching your knees down. Relax. Moving on to the Nauka Asana. The boat pose is highly effective in reducing the belly paunch, toning your abs. Keep your arms straight, your fingers outstretched towards your toes. Start inhaling, and as you exhale, lift your feet off the ground. Now stretch your arms towards your feet. Feel the tension in your stomach area as the abdominal muscles contract. Let the weight of your body rest entirely on the buttocks. Hold your breath and remain in this position for a few seconds. Now exhale slowly as you bring the body down to the starting position and relax.